Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, September 12, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Cardano, on the ADAUSDT Tether Zondacrypto one day or daily time frame chart. This is what we are looking at now. So what we are going to add here is a moving average. And because it's a daily time frame chart, we are going to switch the moving averages from the one that we have by default to 100 and 200 moving average. So what is going on here? As you can see, we got the bearish cross, the bearish cross, which is called the death cross, and since then the 100 periods moving average has been a proxy for the range of the possible movement to the upside by the bulls, and of course the market is still trading below the 200 periods moving average as well. Recently we got very nice bounce to the upside. Let's find out what is going on here. So let's mark important levels. We are going to start with the technical support. The technical support is located at the level of 0.2835. There is another one, of course, the recent one from the September 6th. This is 0.3047. Very nice movement to the upside. What else do we have here is, of course, this technical resistance. This technical resistance will be marked at 0.4565. So that's the technical resistance. And one more level, just for the sake of things, is this one. And it's located at 0.4515. So we got a pretty nice range here on the Cardano, and the market is moving, keeps moving inside of this range since the lows of the August. This is the 5th of the August low, 0.2831. So what else can we add to this chart is, of course, the trend line, because we got the trend line here, as you can see, but this trend line is not actually that strong, but it's still valid. It's valid trend line. So as long as we trade above the trend line, the market remains in a range. Of course, the upper levels are still applicable for the bulls. One more thing we can add to this chart is the momentum indicator, and as you can see, the momentum indicator is at the level of 55 points. So it broke above the level of 50. Now it's heading toward the extremely of about conditions, but just recently we got one attempt to break the level of 60, the second attempt to break the level of 60, and even third attempt to break the level of 60. This one finished at 59.50. So basically the 70 points on the RSI is quite far away from this smaller highs, lower highs to be sure. So we might see some kind of increase towards the 60 points on the RSI, or even 70 points if the momentum is really, really strong. Then, if the momentum is really, really strong, definitely the market will break above 100 periods moving average, and it will go towards the level of 0.45. For now, it looks nicely bullish. And as the market continues to climb higher towards the next targets on the daily time frame chart. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.